Alright guys, it's been a while now since I've last recorded anything. Supposedly this will be day 10, but I'm just really getting parts in. It's like day 20 or something. Got all the new connecting rod bearings, the ARP bolts. There's our polished water pump housing, thermostat housing, new gaskets, O-rings, oil filter, nice and polished, new gasket, oil filter's already in. Oil pump. Got new bolts for that. Nut for the front of that. It's not reusable, so gotta get a new one. Motor mounts. We got our subframe reinforcement plates. Our oil pan gasket. Engine flush for precautionary reasons. I'm gonna do about a week on this oil here, and then I'm gonna do an engine flush, and then we're gonna run factory BMW 10W60. Got new Rebo, extra oil filter. This is the shift carrier bushing. That's pretty much it for now. The engine's still tipped. Everything's all broken loose. We just gotta start putting things back together. We'll get there soon. Clean that up. The AC compressor. Cleaned up the oil pan. There's the flywheel. Old clutch. Oh yeah, that's right. One other thing I forgot. Got another clutch here. Brand new. Pressure plate. Throwout bearing. I already put it in the transmission. I put the new brass pivot guide pin or whatever you want to call it. You really can't see, but I did that a little while ago. New transmission mounts. What else? Oh, you probably can't see it, but that bolt right there, that's the constant pressure valve. Definitely want to replace that. Those things are known to leak. Rear main seal. It's been done already. New gasket. What else? Oh, I put the heat shield back on. Nice and polished up now. Still got a little ways to go. Still got to replace this Vanos line. Clean that out. And then our Vanos, that's going to be at another time. We're going to be rebuilding this whole thing. All new seals. Updated oil pressured oil pump disc. We still got to replace these. All the idler pulleys, tensioner pulleys. I think that's about it for now. Here it is about, I don't know, maybe about 1:30 in the morning. I'm bored. Got some assembly lube. That's gonna go with the fasteners there. I can't wait to get this thing back on the road, I'll tell you that. Alright, till next time.